Hey guys, let me just share again in my group so everyone can join, of course. Yeah, hope everyone's doing good. Just go and buy Bitcoin, seriously. The dip. You missed the dip, so it's almost more than 1,500 above the dip if you miss it already. And I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. I just got below 13k, and I think it's an amazing buy. At max, it will come to 11k or 12k. By end of the day, recovery will be like this. Even it comes down. Let me just share in the group. Your target is already reached. Didn't you see my post in the group? I said 13,500. If we break that, we will go to 11,000 at max. And there was a trend that broke, but it didn't close below that. And there was a fib level. It touched the fib level at 50 exactly. I will show you right now. Intact. It touched and bounced from 50 fib level. Let me just share this in my group, and then I'll just share with you the charts. Hello. So many people must be doing short trades right now. Seems like it, because those old drops coming at the resistance. If we break that resistance, it's not able to break that. 14,500 is a resistance. It went up few times and touched the resistance, and people just selling it because they're buying. And this is a 5 to 10% very quick trades that people doing on GDAX. Quickly 5 to 10%. It's amazing gains. It's been doing that from few hours. The risk is super low because everyone knows it will gonna go up, and they're just flipping the money up, and they're making huge money right now just because of the volatility right now. Panic sellers are selling and they're making profit. Simple. Okay, what I was gonna do is share the last thing. Anyways, let me just show you what I meant. That if you're in my group, if you're watching this, you know I already mentioned 2 hours ago. It was above 15,000. I said we're going down to 13,500, and if we break that, we're going for 11,000. But we stopped at a very good point. I will show you. Fib level are the best tool to use when it comes to correction. I use always with the altcoin. Whenever I buy altcoin, I use fib levels for a correction. And trust me, I really forgot about Bitcoin. I've been looking everything else. I had drawn my fib level. I wasn't focusing on there. It just didn't come in my mind. So basically, this was one of my point. Here we're gonna hit here to have a 40% correction. Here, almost 43% correction. But we hit a 50% fib level from the last correction we had, from 7,800 to 5,500. From there to the top, the fib is 50%, and it hits the 50% and jumps straight away. In 1 second, it had a bounce of $500 from here, from 50 fib level. So, and look at the volume in 1 hour. The daily, we just started the daily candle, and look at the volume that came in. Look at this volume bar comparing to any other volume bar you see. Look at this volume bar. That shows we are done. Almost we are done. I would not say 100% we are done, because anything is possible, but this volume shows that we are almost done. Maybe I'm wrong. We're gonna hit, but 11,000 should be the last one. Trust me. Otherwise, we're gonna be wrecked. 11,000, then 10. We'll see. By end of the day, we're still holding this trend. This trend line. This is the strong trend right now. After we break this, we have this support here. So basically, this area is quite supportive area, and people start buying even before that because no one wants to miss the dip. So this is very supportive area for us, and this is 618 fib level is very strong one. So max will come here, otherwise 8,000, the next one 8,600. We should hold. I mean, there's no point we not hold that. It's already, whoever wants to buy, there won't be a best opportunity than 11,000. So that's all I wanted to say. I mean, yeah. And RSI is completely dead. I mean, so oversold. The bounce was expected. So basically, if we see, we've been moving up in the volume during the in last couple of weeks, months. The volume keep rising. If you see, this is the most volume we had so far from last few months. Actually, few months, this is the most volume we have today. So what else can I say? I mean, this is the sign of reversal. Whenever there has been reversal and there has been a huge volume comparing to the past history. So yeah, I mean, I just post some. All right, we're rocking. I just post some below 13k. Look at, we are 14,700 already. The FOMO is jumping in. There will be a bounce again at this level. There is some resistance level. If we break this, then we'll go uptrend. There will be a bounce. We may hit this, and there will be a small pullback, which is good. The trader is gonna do that for sure. At this, at 15,500, 15,800, it will hit that and a bounce back, and then like this, it's gonna go like this, and then there will be a point we'll break this and break that, and just go on for next run. And I'm very excited for that. I just bought below 13k. Is for already I'm up $1,500. So how amazing is that? All right. Some people were scared, they don't want to buy. Some people sold. I mean, what can I say? The people are selling at this damn point. I mean, I didn't even sell. I knew it's gonna come down. I did a post in my group. If you have my group, we have 10,000 members. I did a post in my group saying 2 hours ago that we're going down. It was above 15k. We're going down, but some people didn't care. I even told them the best. This is the best time to book some profit. Okay, I'm giving you a warning to book some profit from alts, because the volume, the money is gonna go in Bitcoin. Everyone wants to buy cheap Bitcoin, and right now, if you see, Ethereum is dumping in dollar value, because in GDAX people seeing that dip, they're selling Ethereum and buying Bitcoin, because it's all about the profit. They want the profit, so they're putting their money in Litecoin and Ethereum, both dropping, and Bitcoin Gold. Let me see. I'll show you. Ethereum in USDT is 12% down, and Litecoin is 11% down. I mean, oh my God, have you seen that dip in Litecoin? Have you seen this dip? Came to $200 and now it's $280. I mean, look at this dip. Whoever got that dip is lucky person. Seriously, that dip someone must have sold this and went to Bitcoin. I really believe that. That's the only reason, because I don't see any other reason. It's 15 minutes candle, each candle, so it's been an hour. So whoever sold an hour ago and put money in Bitcoin, so that shows people are going from here to Bitcoin. So yeah. And let's see Ethereum. How's Ethereum doing? You see, Ethereum had a dip as well. People start selling this and jumped in Bitcoin, because that was huge dip in Bitcoin, and that was easy 5 to 10, 20% gain. Right now I'm in 15% gain with Bitcoin, if I sell right now, because my purchase is below 13k. I've been looking, it's 4 a.m. here, and I've been looking at the chart, and I just explained you. If you're just joining, you know, you have already seen it. I was going to do a video actually on YouTube, on my channel. Well, I thought I'd first come online, share with you guys, because I have so many English followers as well. My videos are in Hindi, Urdu, and they don't understand, and they ask me to do in English and this and that. So I said, let me just come live, first do it here, and then I'll just go and do in Hindi, Urdu. I don't know why I speak well, like excited and all those in English, but when it comes to Urdu, Hindi, I slow down and all those. It's just weird. Anyways, guys, if you have any question, just throw your questions, please, and I would happy to reply, because I need to go and make video and sleep. It's 4 a.m. here, so yeah. I'm not sure if I book profit and buy the dip again. I'm really confused at this point, but I don't think so. It's wise right now for me selling it. Okay, no one wants to ask any question. Seems strange. Anyways, thank you guys for being here, watching me, and hope this video helped you. Share with your friends so they know we're actually done, and I mean actually almost done, because the volume is been the most from last months, okay, few weeks and months, I would say, when we were like, it's never been that high, almost. Okay, the volume we got just now is never been that much before. Yeah, just buy right now. I mean, buy below 14k. You may get a last dip. Okay, may get a last dip below 14k. Please, how do I join? There's nothing to join. BTC purchase. Yeah, but depends which website. Where do you live? Then I can let you know, okay, where you can buy Bitcoin actually. What about alts, bro? It may go, yeah, alts. If BTCs keep pumping, I mean the dollar value will maintain. The most alt will maintain dollar value, but we all know what's gonna happen. But you never know. This time may not dump alts, but I'm happy to hold my Bitcoin. I don't really need it. Seriously, I don't really need to hold altcoin. I have no greed of being a millionaire just like quickly get rich type. I play very safe. I trade daily. I make 1,000 a day, sometime 500 in an hour. Seriously, the trades I do, I only use my half Bitcoin, 0.2, 0.3 on a trade sometime, and I make decent money. I mean, end of the day, basically you can say I don't even use my 5% of the volume I have capital. I use very low volume, play safe, and I make very good money. The job that gives me used to give me a monthly, I make a day sometime, and I don't trade every day. I don't need to. There's no point trading every day. I just see if I like something having good volume. I recently trade Bitcoin Cash a lot, because it was having good volume. I mean, good volatility, everything was good. So I said, why not? Buying a coin right now, nothing. I'm not buying anything. Yeah, I'm not sure. Seriously, I'm not buying anything, so I'm not sure. I don't want to say anything right now, because I am not buying anything. I'm just focused on Bitcoin right now. I was about to cash out some money. I sold Bitcoin at 19,000 plus a little bit. Okay, 25% of that. I cashed out 10% in my bank. I still had 15%, around 15% here in 12 to 15% in my exchange in GDEX. I just rebought the Bitcoins, and what I'm gonna do you know something? At 1 hour, Bitcoin gave a huge signal of trend change. And there's something more I want to show you. The volume is more of buying than selling. If you see, we have a green bar. And if we see the last time we had red bars of selling, huge selling. And this time we had a more of buying pressure, like a lot more buying pressure. And look at this candle. If you see, this candle is a signal of trend changing. If we confirm that, if we be closing in 1 hour, 46 minutes, if we confirm that, we can have a good volume coming in and go for next rally. But we need to cross 50 MA, which broke at 19,000. We broke at 19,050 moving average hourly, and we break that, and that will be a good signal for some trader. Every trader follows a different thing. Okay, some trader only trade on RSI. They have their own strategies, and yeah, some trend lines, some fib levels. So slowly, if we keep breaking each things, and there will be more FOMO coming in, people start buying. That's how we're gonna go up. Simple as that. Yes, you're right. XRP has been having very good volume. I'm being, I don't know. Seriously, I don't want to say I'm being dumb. I should have done it. Okay, I was gonna trade XRP when it almost made a new high, the recent new high at 5,500. I was gonna trade that, but I had to go sleep or do something, so I said, nah, leave it. I was gonna trade that move, the breakout, but I didn't do it. But BTC Sport is around this price, is holding very well. The volume is coming in. That's what we need, and there's a huge volume that's showing right now. And I don't know, can't use GDAX from Pakistan. You don't need to use GDAX. I mean, I'm just looking at the prices. I use GDAX in TradingView to look at prices, because everything I seen, noticed, even right now, GDAX goes other exchange follow GDAX mostly. I seen Bitfinex is the most volume exchange in BTC USD. And what happens is, whenever there is a trade happening, I always focus on GDAX, because whenever GDAX hits the resistance and moves the first, and then Bitfinex moves, and then Bittrex moves. So is the cycle that they copy each other, because Coinbase GDAX is a real money coming in, and in Bitfinex we have USDT. So that's the difference, and that's why people mostly look for Coinbase, because Coinbase price is a bit higher as well, and that's why it just goes like this. Bitfinex issue finished. I have no idea. I never had to go there. Really, I don't know. Binance is this. The thing is, in Coinbase, the volume is GDAX volume is so good. Okay, it hits the resistance properly, but in Bittrex, the chart doesn't work that well. GDAX works perfectly fine comparing to this Bittrex and Bitfinex. Walaikum salam Tayyab. You see the volume bars, which exchanges? You see that in coin market cap, which exchange have the most volume up, depending the pair you selected there. Guys, if you're just joining, just go and rewatch it after I'm finished. I'm gonna finish it in a bit. I'm looking in TradingView. I'm not speaking Urdu. I'm looking in TradingView. So where you trade BTC USD? I don't trade BTC USD much. I sold mine to GDAX, because from there I'm gonna withdraw to my bank. I withdrawn already some. They said they have. I just got the email that they're gonna delay some days. So I did withdraw. I got some, and I'm waiting for some more. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. The fees are ridiculous. Seriously, withdrawn. The first test, recently I've withdrawn €4,000. That's £3,533, and they gave me 3,400. They took £100 from 3,000, bro. So do you? Yes, I do most that, but I don't do much BTC USDT, unless, seriously, it's so hard to say sometimes. BTC doesn't always follow the TA, but correction does work on TA. Seriously, correction it does follow a lot to the correction, but it doesn't follow a lot to the to what point. What was gonna say? I forgot. It follows the correction a lot, but when we're going up, the hype is there and FOMO is there. No one really knows where the next stop is, but we know the stop mostly when it comes to corrections. Brother, I'm not checking anything right now other than BTC. I don't wanna, because it's just the focus right now. I have a BTC. If you ask me about NXT, I'll check it. I don't wanna disappoint anyone here. I mean, NXT been pumping so much. I would never ever buy now. NXT is up. It's almost. It's just holding. I have no idea how it's holding that still. NXT is making a bearish patterns. If NXT break 7,000, if NXT breaks 7,000, then it's a sale. It's a get out thing. 7,000 is a good support. If this breaks, then it's better to just get out from it. And NXT have a news in 3 days. The best is just go sell it in tomorrow max, or whenever you are in profit, best sell it, because in 2 days there is a news. So if BTC start pumping, may affect it. In dollar value it will stay the same, but in BTC value it may go down. It's been pumping so much recently. I mean, I didn't mean that. I mean, it's been going up so much, it requires a correction. I mean, the news is a sale. As soon as fork happens, the snapshot, you will see the big dump happen in NXT. You will see that. I've seen everything. I've seen everything in past. It's a news effect. I mean, when there is a Bitcoin fork, everything happens like this. When there is a Bitcoin fork, you see a coins, a BTC pumping. People wants to get free coin. That's what happening. RDD, of course, RDD is a pump and dump. All low Satoshi coins has been pumped so much recently. Yes, Bitcoin gonna go up. I'm pretty sure we're gonna touch again 20K very soon. Okay, we're already $15,000 almost. Okay, then I said buy. Look at the title. It was below 14K when I came online and said buy it. Okay, I'm $2,000 up now in Bitcoin. RDD, no, it's pump and dump. You never know when it's gonna happen, when it's gonna pump again. RDD and all these coins are pump and dump. Those who recommend you to buy this at high prices, never follow them. Trust me, never follow them. Unless they have a reason, like strong reason. Oh my god, I have 4,000 euro more to buy Bitcoin. I should have done that. I was thinking, oh, it may come down more. I will buy then. I will see. I will keep that as a reserve. If it comes down, if not, I'm just gonna cash that out. Oh, at 17. Oh, that's great. Always. I said always. Are you serious? You thinking of 10,000? Do you even know the amount of supply RDD got? To even go 1,000, it needs volume of. It needs to come in top 10. Simple. What does he have to come in top 10? Nothing other than a pump and dump. Those all the top newbies by the top. Seriously, it just doesn't make sense. Anyways, $1,500 Bitcoin is right now. I watched every movie, but I don't remember the name. I mean, every movie I watch it. I used to watch every single day the movies. It just Buy Bitcoin. I'm telling you seriously. No jokes. You see, we broke 15K 2 hours ago, panic selling, and we're back again up. And people are gonna think, oh, it will come down again, it will come down again, but it's very, very hard to see it again below 13K. I'm not a god. I mean, I just learned things from the market, observing it from last 10 months. Yes, I was kid that time. Yeah, last months. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me. I don't see any questions, so I would like to go and make a video, YouTube video, so I can update my viewers about Bitcoin. Okay. I should have done that. I mean, they missed the opportunity to buy it, but it looks so positive right now. It looks so positive to me. We had a green, huge volume bar, and that's green as well. Yeah. I do play code. I play code. I play FIFA as well. Good coin, good team. XRP, I don't know. I haven't been looking XRP. I haven't looking at alts much. XRP did amazing runs. Amazing runs. What else do you want? I mean, come on. XRP, there is one more leg left. So basically, we see a 3 waves up. Okay, XRP done 2 waves up now. Okay, there will be now correction. Okay, a correction to maybe roughly. Let me just let you know. Let me just check this. Okay, the correction in XRP can be around 6,000 maybe. I can be wrong. When there is a FOMO, you don't know what's gonna happen. But around 6,000 is 618 fib level, or it's gonna be around 6,400. When that happens, then you may see a consolidation area. It will stop there, accumulation will happen, and there will be next run, which will be the last one, which can go 10K or 10K plus depending on the volume and all those things. But when there is everything dropping in the market, when there will be huge panic selling going on, this may fail. Because technically we should see a one more run up XRP, but I'm not sure at this point because it's been going up crazy. We are oversold in everything. Everything is oversold right now. We've been in cloud, daily cloud. That was a huge buy signal. Anyways, I missed. I didn't see it long. But XRP can go a lot because it did a full cycle. XRP done full cycle, almost full cycle, and yeah, XRP did full cycle, and now it's going up. It's slowly. It can go so high depending on the updates they do, everything they do. It can go so high. Actually, very high. Right now, XRP, there's not much resistance on XRP. There's one on 14,000. There is at around 12,000. It can be 12,000 next time. But end of the day, it's a risk. If you will pick one alt at the moment, please name it. I would not pick any alt right now. No, not. I'm just happy with the Bitcoin. Right now, I bought below 13K. I can't. This is a great feeling, man. When you buy the actually dip, like the man point. We dipped to 12,745, and I bought at below 13K, like the actual dip. You can say I bought there, and I have old holding as well that I lost. So we'll look into ETC as well. Stand by. Let me drink the water and then I'll check the ETC. Bitcoin is looking so good right now to me. So much money coming in. It shows there because I don't see much dips happening. It's just going straight up. XRP. XRP right now is fighting with the resistance. There is a huge resistance with XRP. ETC. ETC is fighting with the resistance. There is a lot of resistance, and there is a signal, a daily, a sell signal for XRP. I mean, it already sold. There was a doji candle at the top, spinning top, and there was a resistance. There was a 100 MA, 100 or 50. There was 100 MA, and there was a cloud resistance. There was a descending trend line resistance. There's a huge resistance ETC. Bitcoin, new stop down. I doubt it, seriously, for now. I mean, 2 down we won't go, but end of the day, who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? As I explained in start of the video, not much selling going on. Selling orders getting out. Mostly people start when that happens, when they see this type of things going on, big sale order will be cancelled to make it run quicker. And that's why we see whenever there is a correction after a big dip, it happens a lot. Could be bull trap. Yeah, actually it can. But this much volume, end of the day, we all know that anything can happen in this market. All right, we need to be ready for everything. But it's shown so many good signs. The volume, we've seen the most volume ever in 2-hour candle. Okay, 2 hours time frame in last few months. So this is the first time we've seen after a few weeks and months. Even when we crossed 10,000, the volume wasn't that much. So, and we have a green volume bar, like huge one. Which, let me see if we, in the past it was when we had a pump from 14,000 to, yeah, but it wasn't that big. We had a huge volume bar today. This can be a turning point. I don't know, I will see, because we haven't broke the downtrend yet. Okay, we just pumped because of the huge dip, but we haven't seen it breaking downtrend. Okay, we will see that when we break around, yeah, we'll actually go 16-17k. Then we'll be pretty sure that, alright, so we're going for next run. I wouldn't say we finished at all. I mean, finished means we won't go down anymore. It's possible, and I'm ready for that, trust me. I'm ready for 11k. I already was. And I'll buy more. What else can I say? Just buy more. Trust me, this is the quickest profit you can make when you buy below that. What's the day tomorrow? Oh yeah, there's 2 forks coming for Bitcoin. Thank you, brother. There's 2 forks coming tomorrow for Bitcoin. That can be one of the reason we may break the downtrend. And there's 25th, there's a 2 fork more. So there is a good news for Bitcoin. Okay, the forks are good news. So I don't see it going down much anymore because of these forks coming, and everyone know this fork will pump it. And yeah, that's it. It's simple as that. And after day, we all holding for long term, right? No, blockchain.info doesn't support fork. Okay, Binance support fork. Okay, just inbox me if you wanna use my Binance link. They will give me 50% of the fees that you do. And yeah, that's it. Binance supports it. HitBTC will support it. Binance supports every single one. So it's the best. Just verify yours and get your coins. I'm so tired right now. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me. I'll see you guys in my next live. And yeah, if you've been watching my live, you know I have been right. I mean, I could be wrong, but so far I have been right. Whatever I said. I mean, in the group. I mean, the group is free. You can join the group. I'll show you which one is the group. This is the group. So you just need to write in Facebook smartcryptotrader.club and you will see the group and you can join it. And yeah, it's free. So everything I share is free there. I have a plan, maybe, but not 100% sure, open a paid group in 2018. I had before, I closed it, paused it, just because I wanted to help everyone free. First they make a lot of money, then they can easily pay fees from there, and people are making money. We made 3% loss today. We did only one trade. It was risky trade anyways, because of the Bitcoin drop below 15k. It hit stop loss. It was 3% stop loss. We made 20% with home, up to 20% with Hominique yesterday, day before yesterday actually. Should we not invest in ICO? I did invested in ICO from my exchange BTC. I sent from my exchange. Ethereum is dumping. No, actually, Ethereum volume will go to BTC. The reason is because it's gonna be more profitable for everyone, because people know it's gonna be more profitable. Ethereum right now, I see it. Ethereum right now is down. It's a lot down. It dumped from $800 to $625. That's huge dump. So and the is going in there. Is going in Bitcoin, because people in GDAX, everyone follows GDAX, every exchange. So in GDAX, they dumped. And they dump the other side as well. So that's how it works. It just dumps one side and other side gets panic and they dump as well. Right now, Ethereum is not looking too bad, as long as we stay here and close that candle above 730. We're good to go. 725 in next few minutes. I don't know when it's gonna close. Yeah, in next 23 minutes. If we stay above 720, we'll be good to go with Ethereum. Otherwise, we may see it going down more, because people are taking profits from Ethereum and putting in Bitcoin. So how do we get the ICO tokens, bro? That's what I'm saying. Which ICO token? You need to tell me. Which ICO token talking about? You are talking about CR20 tokens that you bought the ICO, or you wanna buy it with the Bitcoins that you have in your exchange? I don't get it. Anyways, I'll let you know. So basically, if you have CR20 tokens, you already paid them and you wanna receive them. Depends, if they have a wallet in their exchange already, that's fine. You can wait for the exchange to launch, or you need to install the extension of MetaMask, MetaMask, and then create a wallet there, and from there you can create a wallet and give them the wallet that MetaMask will give you. So they will give you the coins and then do it. I can't explain here. I didn't done myself first time. I hardly buy an ICO. I have no idea what BitDegree ICO is. Raju, the best is go with Binance. Trust me. They are doing it quicker. So yeah, just go with Binance right now. If you haven't started trading, you must haven't got BTC. So buy BTC. Ethercash, did they give? I don't know. I'm still waiting myself. That was my first ICO. I just gambled it. Trust me, I just gambled it. I said, let's see what happens. A big win or big loss. Not big loss. I mean big win, decent loss. Yeah, I will see that. If they go in exchange. I'm not sure if they started trading or when will they start. Anyways, thank you for being here, guys, and thank you for watching. Rewatch if you're just joining, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.